Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the website easyfilesdownloading.me. Easyfilesdownloading.me is a deceptive website that may attack Google Chrome browser. It tells that it's some Chrome notification, but in reality it's a fake Chrome notification. It is not related to the Google Chrome browser. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to trick people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions, and the extension is called exactly like that, Easy Files Downloading. The developers of the extension indicate that by installing it you'll be able to improve the way you download your files, but in reality this particular extension functions as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Furthermore, the extension may read your browsing history, and it may display ads depending on your browsing history. So, in other words, the extension may also spy on your browsing actions. I recommend you to immediately undertake the measures and get rid of this particular extension from your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them here. So disable this extension and remove the extension completely. This should fix the issue pretty well. But I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.